Hey everyone, welcome back to the Simple Sundays, where it's just a simple video with no editing. And today's main topic of our Simple Sundays are two. One of them, the first is you kind of feel that your day is just going by, you don't be productive. Like, what to do about this thing? You just scroll and like before you know it, your day is over another and you haven't done anything. So I'm gonna talk about that. And one another thing is the first problem solution. Second thing is we are gonna discuss what happens if some things don't work according to the plan. Maybe mostly you may have woke up extremely late. Then how can you like overcome when your day is not going according to your plan? Okay, so first one is let's discuss where our day is going. One of most main thing, I think one of the most crucial thing for our day is we need to plan our day. You may have heard this so many times: when you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So basically, when you are not planning your day, you are not planning what you need to do for today. You're just strategically planning to fail. Imagine that, like you're sitting here and you're like planning it, like, yeah, how am I gonna fail today? So exactly that's what we are doing when we do not plan our day. So what I want is you need to plan yourself properly. Like, what am I gonna do today? Mostly a night before your day, you plan like every single day, every single task, that what am I gonna do. Maybe like morning 6-7 I wake up, so and so forth, everything, shower and that all things. But the fact is, at the end of the day, we are humans and we do kind of slip off of our things. We don't go always according to the plan. But what I want you is to imagine your perfect day. If you want to plan a schedule, imagine a perfect day and execute accordingly. It is not going to be again it is not going to be extremely perfect, it's not going to be flawless, but the thing is, it will be somewhat better than your normal day, so called. Because on a normal day, you would be like scrolling on Insta, you would be here and there, you would be just wasting your time. But suddenly today, like, you kind of started studying just a bit, and then maybe you again got to the social media, but you still have studied. So that, I think, is a big plus point, that kind of 1% you are improving your day. So it's better, something is better than nothing, as always. Like I always say, keep improving at the end of my videos. That basically means we have a lot to improve. Then we even imagine there are many areas we need to improve. What many people pursue or chase is perfection, which is, I think, kind of impossible. When they plan a day, it should be like everything should be right. Like I should wake up at like 6 a.m. and then cold shower at say 7:30, everything like perfectly. So yeah, that's like not possible even for a long term. Leave for a long term, even for a short term, like within a week or so, you'll just like give up and you will see like you are kind of slipping off your schedule. So yeah, avoid perfection, embrace improvement, and soon you will find yourself almost being like 90 to 95% near to your like dream or perfect day. Next up is like, always many people, when it comes to imagining their day, they just set goals on waking up extremely early. But for myself also sometimes I wake up like extremely early, like I don't feel to like wake up today, and I just snooze the alarm, and before I know it, it's like 10 or 11 a.m. and I'm like, oh shit bro, like, oh bro, why have I slept so much? My day is wasted. So you know what, anyway, I'll just waste my day more. So I just scroll on Instagram and so on and so forth. So you waste your entire day because you haven't followed, because you weren't perfect with your sleep or your wake up time. So what I would recommend you is, when you feel like your day is ruined, just come outside from your home. Just come outside, have a little walk. It doesn't, I always say come in nature, but it doesn't have to be in nature, what I have observed. Just take a walk around your block or something. It kind of, I can't explain, but it weirdly gives you a motivation that I still have time for my day, even for 10 minutes or 5 minutes at least. Just have a walk around your block. It will be perfect, I guarantee you. And you will kind of feel like, I still got this, I still can win this day. So yeah, this is very powerful. Just step out of your home. I promise it will change your day if it has a bad start. So yeah, anyway, just a little quick summary of our video. We need to plan our day, like our dream perfect day, but it shouldn't be 100% perfect. We are humans, will make mistakes. Try to improve every day. Try to get closer to your goals every day. Try to sleep early. Try to wake up a little more earlier, and try to stick as much as possible, not perfection. Second is, if in case you seem that if you woke up extremely late and you feel like it's over today, just step outside and it will just completely change your mind. So anyway, this was our simple Sunday, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have found anything new that you have learned from this video, make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing as always. And yeah, as always, keep improving, and until then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.